Take Badger out on the leash.
I can't Oh my god, it's so cold!
I don't know if you can really see that it's snowing.
Yeah, you'll get it. You'll get it. Turn it up this way. Turn it this way.
It's sticking to Nikki!
It is. Turn it up.
What are you saying? Turn it up.
This way, long wise. So you get the tree. You'll see it up against the trees better than anything.
Move out of it.
There goes.
Oh my god!
That's great.
Okay, this is like my dream come true right here. I'm not joking. The day...
It's starting to pile up even. Look at...
Oh my god! You guys, it's sticking!
Yeah, no, look at the spa cover. Look at the desk.
Oh my goodness.
Badger, come outside! Look, it's sticking to the desk! Look at the desk! It's sticking! Oh my god, it's sticking! Sticking! Nikki, you're covered in snow.
Wow.
Oh my god! Oh my god! No. Mom, did you happen to buy any hot chocolate?
Yeah, I did actually.
You guys go bowling? Oh my god! Today? Dude, we are not going bowling, I'm sorry. I'd like to taste the snow. Yeah, so it's your hat. Where's my phone? I am texting people now!